working with women directors. When I did expats with Luluwang, parang merong kagad, parang it's so, yung parang familiarity, that yung ganon, and very comforting, and that's how I felt with Direct Tara too. Sa akin, that's so important. Sa akin, parang nag-stand out siya because parang she reminded me a bit with how I related or how I interacted with another female director na idol ko din, si Luluwang. And I hope she doesn't mind being compared, but it's yung that kind of yung very comforting, very welcoming, so accommodating that hindi ako natatakot magkamali or gumawa ng tama. Hindi ako natatakot to push myself to my limits dahil iko-correct naman niya ako kung sobra. Sasabihin naman niya sa akin kung kulang because I felt so at ease working with them.